I'm going to be going over the 2007 BMW R1200R. It's been having some instrument cluster problems, and I'm going to try to get it sorted out. So just follow along. I'm pretty sure this video won't be interesting to most people, but if you have one of these older bikes, hopefully this will help you out, because it was as everybody knows, I hate electrical. I can fix a motor, but when it comes to electrical stuff, I'm pretty poor at it. But yeah, I'll walk you through what I did and if the final results work, so stay tuned. So the first thing I had to start doing, of course, was taking apart the bike. I took the headlight off, the windscreen, and went on from there. I checked all the electrical connections and did some more research online and found that the instrument clusters on these motorcycles do fail after a certain amount of time. Not all of them, but seems to be a problem with them. So after all that, I ended up having to buy a new instrument cluster on eBay for $350, where BMW wants, I think it was over $1,500, plus you have to bring it in for them to program it. The one drawback is that when you buy one of these used ones, you get whatever mileage is on that particular unit. My bike has 36,000 miles on it. The new one has, I think, 42,000 miles on it or so. So it is what it is, and that's how it works. So it's pretty easy. Now we're going to get into taking the instrument cluster off, because that's tricky. Okay, so once you remove your backing plate, there's a little tab, I'll take a picture of it, pull it up and out, pretty easy. And then there's going to be on the back panel here, which I'll show another picture of, 3 posts where you pull out these little clips. Now your module just slides right out. That's it. And then I got the new module, we'll put it in. One thing I forgot to mention is when you're removing the plug, this here, which is the instrument control plug here, one of the things you want to do is, I found using a pair of needle nose that have the bent tip in it a little easier, so that way you can just grab both things of the prong and pull it straight out. It made it a lot easier trying to use grip strength, but you do want to be careful, of course, because you can damage it. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our new panel, slide it in, and before, of course, put it back together, we're going to plug it in. Hopefully. Well, it made noise. That's a good sign. Let's see if we turn the bars this way. Oh, yeah, maybe you'll be able to see it. And we'll flip the key. Alright, we got power. My bike went from 36,000 miles to a lot more. Alright, so if you found that helpful, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, let me know. I did tear this whole thing down, not to the bare bones, but pretty far to figure out what was going on, and I took it for a test ride. Everything seems to work out pretty well. It's got a little buggy saying it needs service, so I'm not sure what that is, but I'm not taking it to BMW. The bike is running good, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.